Hi friends, just wanted to show you this new toothbrush I just got. I'm super excited about it and just wanted to show this to you. Going to do a little unboxing. This is the packaging that it all comes in. One of the things I really like about this is how compact it all is for traveling. So rather than having to have a large base that you have to take with you when you're going from place to place, all you need is this simple charging cord, and then it's got USB-C so that you can plug that into a block or any USB-C, I'm sorry, USB charger. And then this is the end that just plugs right into the bottom of this here. It comes wrapped in this plastic for the main base part, so we can take a look at that there. And it does already have charge right out of the box. Then you're going to have 4 brushes. They each come individually wrapped. 2 of them are blue and then one of them is green, and I think they are there are differences in the 2 types, so you have 2 of each. And then here on the front you've got your power button, and then you have this other button here that's going to help take you through the modes. And then the modes on the front, you have clean, soft, white, massage, and polish. So you have all of that there. You can turn it on even when there's not a head attached to it. You can see that lights up and comes on. And then the individual heads do attach super easily. You can see that there. And I really like that each one of them comes with a cap as well. So that's also awesome for traveling. So you've got a couple of nice things. I like that they're individually wrapped so that they stay really clean until it's time to use the particular brush. And then even for traveling, it has this as well. So really nicely done. Works really well right out of the box, and I'm excited to use it.